Hello and welcome to the video walk around of the 2014 Land Rover Freelander 2 TD4 XS in metallic black finish with a 17-inch of Land Rover alloy wheels. All four alloy wheels of the vehicle are in good condition, and it's got the privacy glass and area parking sensors. The bodywork is in very good condition and the interior is in good condition as well. So as I say, it's got rear parking sensors, split folding rear seats and a luggage cover in the boot. It's got also a 12-volt power outlet, and it does come with the spare tire. Over there it's got a little subwoofer. And the front view of the vehicle is got front forks, headlamp washers and a daytime running LED lights. And it's got a matching full leather interior with some grey stitches on the sides. 5 headrests, ISOFIX for child seat preparation, a rear center armrest with some cup holders and some storage department. It's got very good size of legroom, and for your safety it's got front, side and rear airbags. So there is the driver's side airbag. On the sides over there it's got airbags as well, and on the side of the seats, and over there are the rear airbags. This is the finish of the door. It's got a cup holder, some storage department, speakers on the rear doors. Next to the handle the finish is of leather with some stitches on the sides, and it's got a child lock on the rear doors. So over here we have the electric windows and 40 mirrors. It's got Meridian sound system on the vehicle. The condition of the leather is fantastic. There is nothing to worry about. Once we step in, as you can see, it's got a 6-speed manual gearbox and a push button to start. All we have to do is just to press the button. You don't have to plug in the key or anything. There we have the key of the vehicle. And then it's got both driver and passenger side armrests, which are in very good condition. You can see. Then it's got terrain adjustments, a cup holder, the handbrake. In here we have another cup holder, a 12-volt power outlet. Over there we have another 12-volt power outlet. The auxiliary and USB slots are in there. Over here we have the heated seats, then air conditioning with a dual zone climate control. Front heated windscreen, very helpful for the winter time. I got that in my car as well. So it's got multifunction steering wheel with the cruise control on the left hand side and the voice commands on the right hand side. Cancel. As you can see, it works just fine. It's got eco start and stop function, traction control. It's got that nice clock in the middle. The Land Rover is doing it, and this bit here looks like the Range Rover Sport, to be honest, the newest models. And then it's got touchscreen satellite navigation, Bluetooth connectivity. If you go to the audio, as you can see, it's got FM radio, DAB radio as well. A CD player over there. And then in the glove box we have the locking wheel nut in there, and the user manual of the vehicle. I would like to show you the engine under the bonnet. So as you can see, the daytime running LED lights. They are all, so basically they light up from there and they go up to there. Lovely looking. Very clean. This was the video walk around of the 2014 Land Rover Freelander 2 TD4 XS. To book a test drive or for any further information, please give us a call. Thanks for watching.